ho ho and welcome to Vlogmas number 8. So today started out with some great CompTIA meetings. We got a lot accomplished, a lot of fun stuff, a lot of great ideas going into 2022. If you're an IT service provider and you have not looked into a CompTIA membership, I highly suggest you do. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer them when it comes to becoming a member of CompTIA. As soon as that was done, Giovanni and I hit the road. We wanted to make it from Palm Springs to Anaheim pretty quickly. And then we just made our way. Great look at the wind farm as we were driving by that. Simply stunning at how big those windmills actually are. I was really excited to see those in person. After the windmills and a bunch of mountains and valleys and about an hour and a half of driving, we finally made it to Anaheim. Hey guys, Eric from Ignite here, and I am here at the beautiful Hilton in Anaheim, California. Guess what I'm here for? That's right, I'm here for ASCII Anaheim, which is also the ASCII Cup for 2021. I hope you're here. If you're here, come see me at the booth. Oh yeah, and it'd probably be a good idea if I go figure out where to register. So, come on. What I found, the one and only Karl Palachuk. I also was lucky enough to run into one of my very favorite Canadians.